you?
Hi, I'm Mio. I'm a small Yorkshire Terrier. I live in Helsinki. This is the last part of my story about our trip to Riga. Interested in seeing the city from a bird's eye view? Where can you do this in Riga? The best views are offered by the observation deck of St. Peter's Church, the Riga TV Tower, and the Academy of Sciences. We visited St. Peter's Church and the Academy of Sciences, but we'll definitely visit the Riga TV Tower next time, especially since it's the tallest TV tower in the Baltics. We're going to the Academy of Sciences. The Panorama Riga observation deck is located here. This is where we bought our entrance tickets. Then we took the elevator up to the 15th floor. But that's not the end point. From there, you have to climb 2 more floors on foot. Panorama Riga is an observation deck offering a 360-degree view of Riga. You can even see the TV tower from here. And over there is St. Peter's Church, where we went the next day. You can also watch a beautiful sunset from this observation deck, as the entrance to the Panorama Riga is open until late in the evening. St. Peter's Church is one of the symbols and one of the main landmarks of Riga. Located in the old town, it is famous for its distinctive, recognizable spire. Here, we took the stairs first and then the elevator. The platform is located on the second level of the bell tower at a height of 72 meters. The total height of the spire is 123 meters. This is one of the most popular viewpoints, offering 360-degree panoramic views of the Old Town, the Daugava River, and the Gulf of Riga. From here, you can also see the TV tower and the Academy of Sciences building. The church itself was heavily damaged during World War II. Art exhibitions and classical and organ concerts are often held inside the church. Our trip to Riga has come to an end, and here we are again at the airport. The airport in Riga is much smaller than the one in Helsinki. Where is my plane already? We left when it was already dark, so Riga bid us farewell with bright lights. And then, through the clouds, I saw other lights, and I immediately knew it was Finland. Dad met us at Helsinki Airport. I missed him so much. Subscribe and click the bell.